Winter is come in earnest, and the snow, in dazzling splendour, crumping underfoot, spreads a white world, all calm, and where we go, by hedge or wood, trees shine from top to root, in feathered foliage, flashing light and shade, of strangest contrast. Fancy's pliant eye, delighted, sees a vast romance displayed, and fairy halls descended from the sky. The smallest twig its snowy burthen bears, And woods o'erhead the dullest eyes engage To shape strange things, where arch and pillar bears A roof of grains fantastic, arched and high. A little shed beside the spinney wears The grotesque semblance of an hermitage. One almost sees the hermit from the wood Come bending with his sticks beneath his arm, And in the smoke curl up its dusky flood From the white little roof, his peace to warm. One shapes his books, his quiet and his joys, And in romance's world-forgetting mood, The scene so strange, so fancy's mind employs, It seems heart-aching for his solitude. Domestic spots near home, and trod so oft, Seem daily, known for years, by the strange wand Of winter's humour changed, the little croft, Left green at night when morn's low look obtrudes, Trees, bushes, grass, to one wild garb subdued, Are gone and left us in another land.